everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am going to be adding a little more to this painting. What happened was yesterday, after I finished this, had a little mishap over here and realized that maybe this could be embellished a little more, brought up into maybe a little more 3D. So the paints that I'm going to use are obviously the same paints that I had from yesterday. And I'm just going to be building this up a little, making it look a little more like a 3D flower. So if you'll all just bear with me, and we'll get through this. I did use a small amount here in the middle. I would like to make my middle a little smaller, so I'm going to start out doing that. And that was the Pebeo Blue Black Iridescent. Start off like that. And I wondered if I should put some white maybe around the corners here. Or, I don't know, let's try it. What's the worst that could happen? The worst that could happen is that we do it over. That's about the worst that could happen in art. You can give it another go. Nothing is written in stone, that's for sure. So that's my white acrylic flow. There we go. Put some around the edges here. This way when we bring that out, it'll okay. I think that'll help us a little bit. As I said yesterday, I can always just paint my sides, so I'm not really worried too much about the sides. Give that a little torch on the edges, maybe in the middle. Here's my colors from yesterday. Open these up. Here's my gold. Put that right there. That was the Soft Body Gold, Aqua Flash, mixed with my Atelier Free Flow, Cobalt Turquoise Light. What's this one? This was Violet Flash, and it was mixed with the Deep Violet Liquitex ink. And let's go to it. Put on a little music for you to enjoy your day, and relax a little bit. Sit back, relax, watch that paint flow, and learn a little something. It's always nice to learn a little something. So I guess I'll go starting out with my color shift. So this is where I come in and I use my skewer, and I'm making some outlines of petals. And this is where I add some cell activator in, and I turn things around a little bit. So you'll see what happens next. not what I started out with ever. No more blowing. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Please give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you think about this. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Looking back at this, it looks like a little stained glass. I'd like to know what you think about that. Creating a little stained glass effect here. So I still haven't decided how I'm going to be coming back. Still not 100% here, but I'm going to come back slowly, a little at a time, maybe 1 or 2 a week for the beginning. So please wait for the close-up on this, and you will get a dried effect, being that I'm not back 100%. So here we go for the wet results. And after the wet results, you will get a dried result also. So yeah, take a look how beautiful that is. All those gorgeous little colors in there. That flashy color, that color flash really makes a difference in there. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we hope to see you back soon. Have a great day.